All right, how about a free online business plan? Are you looking to start an online business, looking to start your journey in internet marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever the source is? How about if I told you I can get you free access to 15 days training and an online business plan absolutely free? Well, stay with me throughout this video because I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can get an online business plan built out for you and 15 days of free training to get you to that point. Stay with me. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about how to get an online business plan plus 15 days of training for free. So stay with me throughout this video so you can see exactly how you can get a free business plan that you can walk away with training that is very useful. All right. Now, before we get started, I'd like to introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing. All right. So I am here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. All right, guys, now if you are new, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell. And if you are looking for a passive income, click the link down below. My #1 recommended, make full-time income online. Click that link and I'll send you some information. Let's get right into the video here. Making money online, internet marketing. Guys, we all have that wish or dream to, be making money online or having the ability to bring in a couple extra $1,000s every month by some extra effort or working full-time from home doing internet marketing. All right. So the first step is mindset, education, and learning how to actually do this shit the right way so you can actually sustain it for the long term. So I'm going to share with you today how to get a free business plan built for you. Well, you're going to have to help build it, and 15 days training. All right. And we're going to be using a product called Legendary Marketer, which I talk about a lot, but they do have a free business builder challenge right now. It's 15 days. They take you through 15 days of training. They help you build a business plan. And at the end of that 15 days, you can decide if you want to use Legendary Marketer as an affiliate program or use their products to learn more education to help build your affiliate or digital product business or coaching consulting business, or take that business plan with you and build your own business outside of Legendary Marketer. All right. So that's very powerful and very useful way to get your feet wet in internet marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever it is that you want to do online. This is a good place to start. All right. I'm going to take you through what to expect over the next 15 days. And I'm going to listen to 2 minutes of this video on the first page to talk about what you're going to be actually doing during these 15 days. And I'm just going to give you a 2-minute snippet of this video right here. So let's go ahead and start this video and I'll shut up and we can watch this for the next 2 minutes. And then I'll just explain what you're going to be doing over the next 15 days. All right.
Well, hey, how you doing, my friend? Here we are. My name's Dave Sharp, back here again. I'm the CEO and the founder here at Legendary Marketer, and I want to welcome you officially to this online business builder challenge. This is going to be exciting for me and you. The next 15 days, they're going to serve as the foundation for your new online business. You're going to get world-class education here from actual doers, people who've actually gone out there and gotten real results through application. And what you're not going to get is a bunch of fluff and theory, because that's what really we all find out there online and even in our public school system. So my promise to you is by the time that you finish this 15-day online business builder challenge, that you're going to have everything you need to launch a complete online business. And I emphasize complete. We're not going to leave any stone unturned. We're not going to leave anything out. I'm not going to sugarcoat any of the difficult parts, and I'm not going to gloss over anything that's important. So my second promise to you is that this challenge is completely different from anything that you've ever seen or experienced, because you're going to get way more than motivational videos. You're going to get lessons each day that's going to take complicated ideas and make them simple for you to understand and actually implement. You're going to get one-on-one help building an actual physical business plan for your new business. And you're going to get that personal one-on-one help from my team at no additional charge to ensure that you're 100% clear, so you can also get all of your questions answered. As long as you're willing to put forth the effort and time, the next 15 days of your life can be a turning point that sets you on a completely new and better path. So first, let me give you a little bit of a backstory.
All right, guys, so that was a 2-minute snippet of the first video in the series, and you can kind of get the quality of the videos and what to expect over the next 15 days. So that was David Sharp. He's the CEO of the company, and he was basically saying, you know, what you get when you come into this, you get what you put in. All right, you can't just sit back and hope things come to you. You got to take the knowledge that you learn and put it to action. So this is where most people fail. Most people fail because they don't put the stuff they learn to action. And I got these 3 words that I always use, and they are learn, do, and learn, do, and teach. All right. So if you learn something, you go out and do it, and then you teach it, and you just keep doing that. Right. And the reason why you learn it, do it, and teach it is because once you teach a subject, or once you teach something that you've learned or failed at, that's when it clicks up here. So it's very important to do, learn, do, teach, and to put things in action as you learn them. So you could watch all the stuff in these 15 days and walk away with nothing if you don't put it to action. All right. Or you could walk through these 15 days and it totally changes your life forever. All right. So it's all up to you what you want to put into it, and the mindset that you have going into this. If it's you're thinking right off the bat negative, or thinking this is a scam, or what is the behind, if you're thinking like that, close the screen, don't do it, because you will fail at it. All right. You got to have a positive mindset. You got to be ready and willing to take on the challenge and put yourself out there in uncomfortable situations so you can make the magic happen. All right. Because the magic don't happen inside your comfort bubble. It's outside the comfort zone. So that's why the 1% is out there making the money and the other 99% is not, because the other 99% is in the comfort zone and they're comfortable being the same. All right. Because they don't want to change. They just want to blame everybody else and sit back and cry because they aren't where they need to be. All right. But there are 2 types of people, one that are doers and others that are followers. All right. There's people that don't want to do nothing and just have handouts. And there's people that want to do stuff, make themselves better, and make money. All right. So what to expect with this Business Builder Challenge is day 1, you're going to get an intro and it's a pretty good lesson from David Sharp. And then you got some assignments down below. Every day is like this. So you got some videos of some interviews of people, normal people, and what they think about Legendary. And then you get every one of these have a audio class by Matt Heltzel. And he is the Legendary Marketer trainer. He's very good. So the audio is very awesome with this. It's good if you just listen to it sitting on the couch or while you're driving or on the train, whatever it is. Check it out. You will get something out of it. So you just go through this, go through your things, continue to the next step. And every day you do this. All right. Day 2, you're going to do the same thing. Day 3, when you get to day 4, there's a change in this, all right? Because what's going to happen is day 4, you're going to take a quiz. And this quiz is going to give your business advisor somewhat of a knowledge to where you are in your learning and your experience to help them guide you when building your business plan of where you need to be when you get done this 15 days, what you should be looking to do. So if you've never done affiliate marketing, then maybe learning affiliate marketing is a good place to start. If you've been making a couple $1,000s a month in affiliate marketing, then maybe taking it to the next step to a high ticket affiliate program or something like that. But maybe you want to take it to the next level and build a digital product with the experience you've learned making your, $5,000-$10,000 a month in affiliate marketing. Okay, so there's definitely different ways to go. You can go into affiliate marketing, you can digital product, a coaching consulting business. There's different avenues, and this is going to help them get a feel of the experience you have so they can help guide you into the right direction. All right. So this is where you're going to actually schedule your time with your business plan advisor. And you can do this on day 1, but on day 4, you have to call them to go to the next step. So this is a very critical piece because you're getting free access to a business plan advisor, a one-on-one person that's going to take their time and put it into you and help you build this business plan. All right. So guys, don't not take advantage of this. If you're scared to talk to somebody on the phone, then don't even continue with this. But I tell you right now, these people are very down to earth, good, and they will help you. All right. So you're going to get done that. Then you're going to go to day 5. And day 5, what's going to happen on day 5 is it's another every day starts with David Sharp. And then there's a couple assignments. And then what you'll do is you'll talk to your business advisor about what you've learned. And they'll ask you if you have any questions and keep priming you for the next days. And every day is like that moving forward. Okay. So you'll do this for 15 days and then you'll come out and you'll decide whether, you want to move further with Legendary or you want to take a business plan and go off and build your own online business. All right. So this is what you're going to expect from Legendary Marketer with the free Business Builder Challenge. Build that business plan, talk to your business advisor, make things happen. Remember, learn, do, and teach. So guys, my wish to you is you take massive action. And if you did like this video, click that subscribe button, give me a like, etc. Drop me a comment. All right. Take care. Peace out. And I'll catch you on the next video.